Jai Hind, dear student. In last session, we had learned about factorization, how factorization can be done. Now, in this sum, we are going to learn about factorization using identities. If you remember, in previous chapter, we had done some identities in chapter 9, algebraic expression. The same identity, the same four identities we have to use here. The same four identities means they are a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second one is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third one is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. And the fourth one which we had done is, if you remember, it is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b का x plus ab. So these are the four identities we had already learned in the previous chapter, that is in chapter 9. Now this identity we have to use and we have to do the factorization. Means if the expression is in this form, we can do it is in this form. Okay, let us understood it by doing some example. For example, here let us see. Suppose like x square plus 8x plus 16. Now this is x square plus 8x plus 16. Now we have to remember this identities, whether which identity is suitable here. So if we see properly, we can see that here a can be x, 16 is a square of 4, so b can be 4 and 2ab, that is 2 into 4 into x, so it will be x. So this we can cut in x square plus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square. So this can be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as x plus b ka whole square. So the answer here it will be x plus b whole square. So in this way we can write, so the answer here of 8 plus 8 x square is equal to x plus 4 का whole square. So factorization of x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to x plus. In the same way, suppose if it is y square minus 25. Now we have to factorize it. So this we can write as y square minus 5 square. 25 is the square of 5. This can be written as a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b, that is y minus 5 into y plus 5. So in this way we can use it. Now for equation this one, x plus a into x plus b, here we can see split the middle term in such a way that a plus b and a into b. Let us see one example of this, that is suppose here example, that is suppose x square plus 5x plus 6. Now this x square plus 5x plus 6. Now we have to see this middle term. We have to split the middle term. Middle term को उस तरह से तोड़ना है, if you multiply it then it will become 6 and if you add it then it will become 5, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमने addition किया है a plus b and a into b. So if you multiply it then it will become 6 and if you add it then it will become 5. So this you can write as x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. अब जब इनको ऐड करोगे दोनों को तो 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 2x plus 3x, तो मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 6x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. 3 2 are 6, x into x is equal to x square. Now you can say that in this and this the common is x, so x plus 3 plus 2, again x plus 3, इन दोनों में कॉमन 2 है तो 2 निकाला हमने. अब इस टर्म और इस टर्म में x plus 3 is common. We can find out x plus 3 into x plus 2. So the answer for x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to x plus 3 into x plus 2. So in this way you can split the middle term. Middle term को तोड़ना है और उसको इस तरह से तोड़ना है कि इफ़ यू एड इट, तो आपको अगर ऐड करते हो तो मिडल टर्म मिलता है, एंड इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई देन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इसको इस तरह से तोड़ना है मिडल टर्म को कि इफ़ यू ऐड इट, उसको अगर ऐड करो तो सेम मिडल टर्म मिलेगा, और उसको अगर मल्टीप्लाई करो तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म मिलेगा. नाउ लेट अस सी exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.2, let us see question number 1. Question number 1 is factorize the following expression. Here we have to factorize it, so it will be a square plus 8a plus 16. This type of expression just now we had done. This can be written as a square plus 2 into a into 4 plus 16. So this can be a square plus 2ab. So 16 can be written as 4 square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as a plus 4 का whole square. So we will get here answer a plus 4 का whole square. Let us see question number 2. Question number 2 is here p square minus 10p plus 25. So we can see that here p square can be square of p, 25 can be square of 5. 2ab, that is 2 into 5, that is 10 minus 10p. So we can write this can be p square minus 2 into p into 5 plus 25 can be written as 5 square. So this can be written as a minus b, that is p minus 5 का whole square. So this will be the answer, factorization of p square minus 10p plus 25. Let us see question number 3. Question number 3 is, so it is 25m square plus 30m plus 9. So here now this 25m square can be written as 5m whole square, 9 can be written as 3, 5 3 is 15 into 2, that is 30. So we can write this as, first we have to write 5m whole square plus 2 into 5m into 3 plus 3 square. Now it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as 5m plus 3 whole square. So this is the answer for this 5m plus 3 का whole square. Now let us see question number 5. Question number 5 is 4x square minus 8x plus 4. This question number 5 can also be done like this only, 4x square, so it can be written as 2x का whole square, minus 8x is there, so it will be minus 2 into 2, then 4 is there, so 2 square. So minus 2 into 2x into 2. Now let us see question number 7. Question number 7 is here L plus m का whole square minus 4lm. L plus m का whole square minus 4lm. So now L plus m का whole square, this can be written as L square plus 2ab, that is 2lm plus m square minus 4lm. Now this can be written as L square plus 2lm minus 4lm plus m square. So this will be L square minus 2lm plus m square. Now this will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written, if you write, we can write this will be l square minus 2 into l into m plus m square. This will be a minus b ka whole square. A minus b ka whole square. So in this way we can do the factorization of these questions. Now let us come to question number 2. Question number 2, the first one is here. The first one is 4p square minus 9q square. 4p square minus 9q square. So 4p square can be written as 2p whole square minus 3q ka whole square. 2p whole square. This is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to 2p minus 3q plus into 2p plus 3q. So this was the factorization of 2p square minus 3q square, that is 2p minus 3q into 2p plus 3q. So in this way, let us do the second one. Second one is given here, 63a square minus 112b square. 63a square minus 112b square. Now here 63 is not a square of any number, 112 is also not a square. So we have to first find out which is the common. Is there anything common? Yes, 7 is common. So if you take out 7 common from here, this will be 9a square minus, from here if you take out the 7, then it will be 16b square. Now this will be equal to 7 into 9a square can be 3a ka whole square minus 4b ka whole square. This will be 7 into 3a square, that is a square minus b square. So we can write 3a minus 4b and 3 into 3a plus 4b. This will be 7 3a minus 4b 3a plus 4b. So the factorization of 63a square minus 112b square is 7 3a minus 4b into 3a plus 4b. Now let us do question number 5. Question number 5 is L plus M whole square minus L minus M ka whole square. Now this can be done by the two way, that is both the way. First we can find out the a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, that also. Now we can also teach that a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, we know that if L plus M is a and L minus M is b, then this can be, or we can do direct by this, L square plus 2LM plus M square, this is 1 minus L square minus 2LM plus M square, L square minus 2LM. This is a plus b ka whole square, that is L square plus 2LM plus M square minus a minus b ka whole square, that is L square minus 2LM plus M square. So this will be L square plus 2LM plus M square. Now minus L square plus 2LM minus M square. So this can be written as L square minus L square plus 2LM plus 2LM plus M square minus M square. L square minus M square is cut, M square minus M square is cut, so it will be 4 4LM. So the answer will be 4LM. So let us see question number 7 here. Question number 7 is x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. X square minus 2x square plus y square minus z square. So this can be written as, this first we will write, then it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as x minus y का whole square minus z square, x minus y का whole square minus z square. Now a minus a square minus b square. So this can be written as x minus y minus z into x minus y plus z. So this will be the answer. First we had convert it into x square minus 2x plus 2xy plus y square. This we had converted into x minus y ka whole square. Now minus z square is there. So this is a square. Now we had considered x minus y as a and z as b. So a minus b and a plus b. So the answer will be x minus y minus z, x minus y plus z. And so in this way we have to solve this equation also. Now let us see the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 is here, 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Now here we can see that 4b square minus, so plus 28bc minus 49. So if we do like this, this can be written as 5a ka whole square minus, if you consider this as 4b square. So if you take out minus common here, then it will be minus 28bc plus 49c square. Now this can be written as 5a ka whole square minus this 4b square can be written as 2b whole square minus 28bc, that will be 2 into 2b into 7c plus 49 can be written as 7c ka whole square, bracket close. So this will be 5a ka whole square minus 2, here a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be written as 2b minus 7c ka whole square. Now it will be 5a square minus 2b minus 7 square. So this will be a square minus b square. So the answer is a square minus 2b minus 7c and a plus 2b minus, this is 5a plus 2b minus 7c, here bracket close. So this will be, if you open the bracket, it will be 5a minus 2b plus 7c into 5a plus 2b minus 7c. So this will be the answer for 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. The answer will be, you can see it is 5a minus 2b plus 7c into 5a plus 2b minus 7c. Now let us see question number 3. Question number 3, the first one is ax square plus bx. Here we have to just find out the common term, that is common term here is x. So we can say factorize, we can see ax plus b. Same way we can do the second one also. We can do the third one also same way by taking out the common. Now let us see the fourth one. The fourth one here is am square plus bm square plus bn square plus an square. Now here if we see this two term and this two term, this two term common is m square. So if you take out the common m square, then remaining here is a plus b, plus here if you take out the common n square common, then here a plus b. So again in this two term, if you take out a plus b common, then it will be a plus b into m square plus n square. So this will be the answer, a plus b into m square plus n square. Let us do question number 7. Here question number 7 is 5y square minus 20y, 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz. 5y square minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz. Now first we have to here see the common, that whichever it is, whether it is any common or not. First we have to find the common term. The common term here is between 5y square and 20y, it is 5y. So if you take out 5y from here, that will be y minus 4 will be the common. Now if we see here, we have to find out again y minus 4, so plus if you take out the common 2z, then here it will be minus 4 plus y, minus 4 plus y. So this can be, we can write as 5y, y minus 4 plus 2z, it will be y minus 4. And this can be written as y minus 4 into 5y plus 2z. Y minus 4 into 5y plus 2z. Now let us see question number 4. Question number 4, it is first one is a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Now a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, this can be written as a square ka whole square minus b square whole square. Now again it is a square minus b square. So this can be written as a square minus b square into a square plus b square. A square minus b square. So here a square is a square and b is b square. So a square a minus b is a square minus b square. A plus b is a square plus b square. Now again a square minus b square, we can simplify it as a minus b into a plus b, and this will be as it is a square plus b square. So the answer for a to the power 4 into b to the power 4 is a minus b into a plus b into a square plus b square. Let us see the same one, second one you can do p square ka whole square minus 9, or 9 can be written as 3 also. Let us do the third one. Question number 3 is here, x to the power 4 minus y plus z to the power 4. Now this can be written as x square ka whole square minus y plus z, this whole square, a square minus b square. So this can be x square minus y plus z का होल स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई प्लस जेड एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू वाई प्लस जेड का होल स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट क्लोज. So now again here this can be a square minus b square, so this can be written as x minus y plus z into x plus y plus z into this whole equation, that is x square plus y plus z का whole square bracket close. So the final answer will be, we can give here, right here, that will be x minus y minus z into x plus y plus z bracket close, that is x square plus y plus z का whole square. So the answer is here x minus y minus z into x plus y plus z into x square plus z plus y plus z का whole square. Now question number 4 is again same as we had done this. Let us do question number 5. Question number 5 is, here it is a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4. b to the power 4. Now this can be written as a square का whole square minus 2 into a square into b square plus b square का whole square. Now this will be a square, a minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be a plus b square का whole square. So the answer for a to the power 4 into b to, sorry, it will be here a minus b, sorry, a minus b square का whole square, a square minus b square का whole square. Now this will be a square minus b square का whole square will be, so here as it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here our a is a square, so a minus b का whole square and b is b square. Now a square minus b square can be written as a minus b का whole square into a plus b whole square. Here it is a square minus b square, which can be written as a minus b into a plus b. Here it is square, so a minus b square into a plus b square. Now let us see question number 5. Question number 5, the first one is p square plus 6p plus 8. Now here we have to see that we have to skip that, we have to split this middle term in such a way that इसको इस तरह से तोड़ना है कि इसको अगर ऐड करें तो 6p आए और मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 8p स्क्वायर आए. तो ये दो नंबर होंगे, इसके लिए हमें 6 के फैक्टर चाहिए, तो 2 है, 4 है, 3 है, ठीक है. 6 के फैक्टर है 2. 6 को किस तरह से हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, इसके लिए हमें 8 के फैक्टर चाहिए. 8 के फैक्टर है 1 2 4, तो 2 और 4 अगर हम यहाँ पे करें इसको इस तरह से p स्क्वायर प्लस 4p प्लस 2p प्लस 8, this will be to 4p plus 2p, this will be equal to 6p and 4p into 2p, तो 8p square. So p is equal to p plus 4 plus 2p plus 4. तो p plus 4 into p plus 2, this will be the answer. Now in the same way, let us do second one. Second one here is q square minus 10q plus 21. q square minus 10q plus 21. Now 21 के फैक्टर है 1, 3, 7. तो 3, 7 को we can consider. This will be q square minus 7q minus 3q. 3 minus 3 into minus 7. So that will be 21q square plus 21. q का कॉमन होगा q माइनस 7 माइनस 3 का कॉमन होगा q माइनस 7. सो द आंसर विल बी q माइनस 7 इंटू q माइनस 3. सो for q square minus 10q plus 21 it is q minus 7 into q minus 3. The next one, third one, you can do by yourself. Here we end our exercise 14.2. The remaining sum is your homework. Thank you.